I went alkaline vegan for a month, and that was like the healthiest option for me.
Y'all really playing with me. I said I'm Adam McFarland. Thanks guys. I'm program manager of Black Music and Culture at YouTube. Such a pleasure to be here. This is Future Insiders. Welcome to Future Insiders, the AUC edition. I'm going to do a really quick intro. We're going to jump right into the programming because we have a jam-packed day, as you all know, as you all have seen. When you walked in, I think I greeted just about. Raise your hand if I did not shake your hand when you walked in here. I mean, I did pretty good, you know. I was hoping there'd be no hands up, but you know, shit happens. So basically, over the course of the day, we're going to have a bunch of different programs talking about and explaining to you how to optimize on platform, how to make the most of your creator experience, how to be the best creator that you possibly can, how to be healthy as you create, how to be the best business mind that you can be as you think about monetizing your art and taking your craft to the next level. That is the purpose of Future Insiders. Future Insiders is truly a global community of people. It is a program that we do all over the world. We do it in Lagos, in Johannesburg, South Africa. We've done 2 in London this year. We go to Atlanta, DC, Baltimore, LA, New Orleans, all over. And we are building the creators, we're building the leaders of tomorrow. As you know, we as people of color typically under-index in terms of what we make on platform, but we over-index in what we contribute to every creative platform. And this is a means of corrective action. This is our opportunity and our chance to really become what we know that we are. So, as you go through this day, and you'll hear me say the same thing again in a little while, in the morning, you'll notice that there's a group of you that identify as creators. In the evening, we'll add another group of people to you and make this audience much, much larger. There's also a networking session, a networking space rather. When you go into the front of the building, it's going to be on the left side.
All right, me and Sophia here are trying to decide what we want to eat. So I see that there is like Mexican soul food fusion.
It actually looks pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Collard green quesadilla?
I've never heard of this before. Oh, it looks like they have buffalo chicken tenders, fish tacos. They do have a veggie option.
But slutty vegan.
I think slutty vegan, yeah. Let's go to slutty vegan. Oh, is this the line for slutty vegan? Okay, I'm about to say, is this the line for slutty vegan? Excuse us. New Orleans. Oh, they have beignets. That's so cool that they're giving out food here.
Yeah. Wait, when did you move here?
This will be crazy, but like 5 days ago.
What? Okay, where did you move? Why did you move? Like,
Literally, I have to tell you the whole story, but basically, Basically, Houston wasn't serving me anymore. Like in terms of like what I'm trying to do, there wasn't like many like content creators around. No.
Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Crystal. I'm with Chubby Cheeks TV.
Chubby Cheeks TV.
Chubby Cheeks
You be
TV.
eating?
I be eating.
Okay, that's your channel about?
It's about lifestyle. I'm also a registered nurse.
Okay,
So I give like advice that other people's doctor won't give them. You know,
Okay.
so basically you get a ex and nurse free content. I also talk about my lifestyle. I recently moved here to Atlanta. So if you're looking to connect,
Word.
I'm here to connect.
You already sound like you from Atlanta, I ain't gonna lie.
Really?
Does she talk a little Southern?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but she's
so
from Texas.
I'm coming from Texas.
That makes sense.
But
That's
y'all
what
want
it
to know? Y'all want to know where I'm really from?
Yeah.
Memphis.
Oh, so you a global baby.
Yeah, I'm a global baby. I move around, so this is my next jump. What's your channel?
My name is Taylor, and my channel EBN Eats. I'm saying I be outside eating. I'm a restaurant consultant. I'm a food reviewer. I be eating, tapping. You know what I'm saying? Outside eating 24/7. What's your name? I didn't get your name.
My name is 𝑪����𝒆𝒆𝒌�. I make figure skating content.
That's bad random. You can figure skate.
It is
you can,
random.
You can do like the jump spins.
I'm getting
that's
there.
ice skating.
I started. It is. I
That's the same
started
thing.
figure skating.
Okay, yeah, my bad. I don't know.
But I started learning how to figure skate 2 years ago. So I'm still in the process of getting to that jump spin that you're describing. But yeah, like I make content trying to like inspire other people that, you know, you're never too old and it's never too late. Like any dream you had when you were younger, make it happen. You want to be a princess, be a princess.
So you think? So I have zero figure skating experience, but I could be a professional figure skater.
That's what I was gonna ask too. About to order some slutty vegan for lunch. Which one did you get?
I'm gonna get slutty vegan. I'm gonna get slutty vegan.
I got the pussy husky.
The pussy hussy.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do the one night stand.
I went alkaline vegan for a month, and that was like the healthiest option for me. Like I had no mucus issues. I was breathing clearly for once in my life. Like I felt the healthiest I literally have ever felt.
Yeah.
Ever. But like,
And your skin glows like.
listen, keep complimenting me. But no, and then after that, I was like, let me try out being vegetarian because alkaline vegan is so hard.
It is hard.
And like, I love food.
Yes.
So I was like, let me at least just be vegetarian and see if that
That's
helps.
what I'm doing. I'm like really like experimenting with like my diet because you have to learn how to eat and
Exactly.
like I know like cheese it doesn't really help me because it creates that mucus.
But it's not as bad as
But it's
meat.
not as bad as meat.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I went.
I'm
after
glad
that-
to find another. So now, like,
Yeah.
cause usually, like with my friends, I'm usually like always eating French fries because, like, I'm
literally. First of all, that's my favorite food.
That's why I broke and ate that queso, and I was like, well, can't be vegan. I done ate some queso. So like, I'm just happy to have like, girl.
Yeah, you get it. We were meant to meet.
We were meant.
Crazy.
We were meant. Taurus gang. Look at her tattoo. I know y'all saw it earlier, but yeah, you've inspired me. I literally want to do something like that.
Do it.
Yes, put some flowers around it a little bit.
I was choosing between this one or one that was literally just like this, but there were flowers incorporated in the line.
Wow.
So maybe that's the one that you have in mind.
Yes.
Twinsies.
Yes. Y'all, look who I'm breaking bread with. We have Sophia. Shout yourself out.
The Jackson of Atlanta.
My goal is to do content with them, so I'm manifesting it right now. They just shared their sauce with me, like honey mustard. We got the chili sauce. I think that this is so cool. I just got to get it on camera.
It is. It's really good. That slutty vegan is really good.
So some of my folks who are in the analytics class, they can raise your hand if you were in the analytics with Orlando.
1, 2, 3. Everybody else,
Y'all, so I am leaving the YouTube Black event. I feel so official now. This was such a great experience. I learned a lot. I made some new friends, have some new insight, have a lot to think about now. But yeah, it's going up and I'm ready to take the journey. This was so beneficial and I'm glad that I did it. They gave like such cool merch. Like get into the merch. Y'all, I am now about to go get some dinner and just basically like woosah from the day. I met so many people, like so many OGs in the game, the YouTube game, so many content creators, TikTokers, like all these different things. I'm like, y'all, even though I didn't see myself as a content creator, like I am a content creator. It's so crazy. Like, Chubby Cheeks TV is a thing. Like, Chubby Cheeks TV is known by different people that I didn't even know. And so I'm just grateful to have been in that type of energy, and I'm just ready to like actually take this serious now and just share my content, share my journey, just share it all. So it's a lot to look forward to, but that's it for today's vlog. I think that I literally got enough footage. So I would just tell y'all to turn on y'all notification bells so y'all can see what's next for Chubby Cheeks TV. We're gonna have new content, new collabs. Y'all are gonna be able to see these journeys that I go through. So many journeys, and like I'm finally like, hey girl, pick up the camera, show the journey. And today it was YouTube. I love y'all. Peace.